So this is the nursery. I'll show you this wall first. Don't mind the curtains or the paint because that's going to all get repainted, and the curtains are coming down. As you know, we're going to redo this whole room. This is the bookshelf that Alex's mom gave us. We just found out today we were going to keep it and repaint it the same color as the crib set, but we don't know if we're going to be able to do that anymore because the guy who moved in the baby furniture just told us that if we're planning on putting an armoire in here, that it probably will not fit. It will not fit on this wall. He said that it would fit on this wall. So if that is true, then we won't be able to keep this bookshelf, and we'll probably just end up putting it in storage until we buy a house and move. So yeah, this is the little bookshelf or whatever. I put all the little books that we have so far down here, and I got that thing from Garden Ridge. I thought it was so cute, that picture frame, and we got like that little thing from Burlington Coat Factory, and there's another storybook, and these little things came, these little stuffed animals came from Alex's stepmother, Dawn. They were his little brothers. I just changed out the blue bow that was on there, and I tied that pink bow on it that came off of the flowers that we got sent from Alex's VP, or owner of his company. And there's my knitting projects that I'm starting to knit and trying to choose a yarn, and I don't like those so far. So anyways, and this thing we got from Garden Ridge, it's just a bird cage. I put some little grass in there to make it look like, you know, we kind of brought the outside in, and then I'll end up eventually putting a bird in there, flowers. And that's Eden, if you can see it. Kim couldn't make out where the face was. I was like, okay, this is the face. I don't know what that stuff is, but that's her there. And cute little flowers. The card that Alex's aunt got us, we're gonna make sure that stays in the nursery. Cute little bunny that Alex says is creepy, but I like it, so whatever. It came from Marshall's and it's gonna stay. Little lamp we got from Walmart. Thought it was cute. 12 bucks. And her little thing that says do not disturb the princess. Spoiled already. And of course you guys already seen this. We're gonna take this desk apart until we move and have office space. We're gonna take that desk apart, so that won't be there. But that's some of the stuff that we got her already. I'm a shoe fanatic, so of course I would get her a lot of shoes to start off. And I like this. This is really cute. Alex picked this out for her. This cute little dress she can't wear until she's 12 months, but I think it's adorable. Some more little plush toys that we got from Alex's stepmother. My to-do board. Don't look at that. And we're gonna keep that up there, but I'm gonna take the earrings out, and I'll probably just put pictures from like the baby shower and little things like that in there. I'll pin them up there. Okay, so now to what everybody is probably waiting to see is the crib. No mattress in there yet, but we're gonna go get the mattress. We're gonna order it actually, because we're getting like this awesome Sephora, I think it's called Sephora mattress. But this is the crib, and it was the floor model, so we got a really good deal on it. I chose to go with the floor model because number one, it's not damaged at all. There's probably one nick. You can't even, I mean, I could zoom in on it with the camera and you still can't even see it. So anyways, they touched that up for us just a little bit, and this is it. And this does turn into a full-size bed. I don't know why people don't know what a convertible crib means, but that means that this bed goes from a crib, which is the state that it's in now. It goes from a crib to a twin toddler bed with a rail, and from that stage you can turn it into a full-size bed. This part being the headboard of that full-size bed, and this part being the footboard of that full-size bed, okay? So this will not, if I were to have any more children, which I don't know, if it's in God's plan, then sure, but this won't get passed over to that other child if it's a girl, because my first child will be using it still until she leaves the house. Hopefully she doesn't tear it up. This is the dresser that goes with this set, and it just has these really cute little designs on it that I thought were intricate and just really gave the whole set, like, you know, a character. It is like an ornate vintage kind of antique-y look, and I really like that. That's what me and my mom have in common, is we really love antique stuff. So I really wanted to get this, and this is the inside of this drawer, or this door, and I'm probably gonna put I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. I'll figure it out. I don't know. But this is going to serve as the changing station for now, because I did not want to buy a changing table, as I think those are freaking pointless. And you cannot use them after the baby no longer wears diapers. So I chose to go with this dresser, and I will put her changing pad there and her diapers and stuff there. And utilizing this as a changing station for now until she's old enough, and then she can just have it as her normal dresser. And it has these little feet on it. I thought that was cute. Instead of it just being square and just sitting there, it has the really cute ball feet. And just with 3 drawers, obviously, as you can see. This is, thank God for Alex's mom, man. I tell you, we were able to get this pillow because she told us that it would be a good idea to do that, so that we could at least, we don't have the bedding yet, but we could at least take the pillow that has the same pattern and everything as the baby bedding, and try to use it to match colors for the wall and little accents and stuff for the room, so on and so forth, which is a really good idea. I didn't think of that. But as you can see, it has these little I'm so out of breath. It has these little lacy flowers on them, and that's like lace right there. I don't know if you can tell. And it has these little kids playing. If I get the blanket, you could see, but they're kind of in a garden, and there's like a little kid, like, looks like he might be pulling something, I don't know. And there's a lamb and another lamb. And that's just a little checkerboard deco with little stars, which everything about this, the style of this, I really, really like. I wasn't too sure about the tassels at first, because I know that tassels do tend to unravel and they become messy over time. But Kim reassured me that it looked good and she liked it, so I was like, you know what, okay, good. I'll go with it. And then on the other side, it just has the stars. But this is the bedding that we're going to go with. It looks just like that. Don't know what color we're going to paint the room yet. But we do know that we're going to go with a garden / antique vintage kind of Alice in Wonderland theme. Like, not the dark Alice in Wonderland, but the antiquiness and vintage look of Alice in Wonderland is what we want to go for. So the setup of this room is pretty much going to stay the same, where the dresser is going to be there. The crib's going to be there. We wanted to put the crib there, away from the window, for obvious reasons. My glider is going to go there once we get that in, and like a cute little floor lamp. So yeah, glider there, lamp there, and the armoires, obviously. Right? Right. So if you're wondering where the heck all my stuff went to, if you're not interested in makeup and stuff, then you can just cut it off here and do whatever you were doing. But this is what I did with all my stuff. Like, the reason why we got the armoire and we got the dresser is because we won't be able to hang up any baby clothes. Obviously, you can tell I don't have anywhere to put my stuff, because Alex's closet is full with his stuff, and this closet is filled with my stuff. So that's why we got the armoire and the dresser, because everything will be folded, washed and folded for the baby, and not hung up. And I just put all my my makeup stuff and all my nail polish and just jewelry in here, and it's fine. not a lot of space in here anymore, but I can at least walk through, grab some clothes, turn around, get my accessories, blah, 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 blah. And then, you know, get my shoes from down there and just keep, you know, keep rolling. So, hey, so what we gotta do when we gotta do it until we get a house. But that's it. I hope that you guys like it, and I will do more videotaping once we get the bedding and the mattress and everything else. So I love you, Jamie. I love you, Mom. I love you, Aunt Dorothy. You guys, you know, we couldn't have done any of this without you. We really, really appreciate it, and I'm gonna try not to go into tears right now. But I just want to thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I know that Eden is definitely going to enjoy her bedroom set. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.